Namaskar friends, once again welcome to Kusum Yoga. Friends, if you want to practice advanced power yoga or hatha yogic asanas, you need to have a strong core and flat ab. And if you want to really develop a strong core, plank exercises are going to be wonderful for you. So keeping that in mind, today I am presenting 7 different variety of plank exercises especially for the beginners. So we are going to hold each plank posture for around 60 seconds and we will have around 5 to 10 seconds gap in between the different plank exercises. So without wasting much of your time, let's directly go for the demonstration.
The very first and basic plank is elbow plank, also known as baby planks. In elbow plank, you should keep your spine straight, don't lift your hip too up or don't hang it too down. Ideally, your heel to head should be in a straight line. Engage your glutes, thigh muscles and ab muscles. Keep looking at the floor. Breathe gently and slowly. Slowly come down. Now relax your legs and lower back. Second in the series is single leg plank. From baby plank, raise your left leg about 1.5 feet high from the mat. Maintain the basic plank posture correctly. That means don't raise your hip too high along with your leg. Keep both the knees straight and keep looking at the floor. We will maintain this posture for 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, lower your left leg and raise your right leg. Do not restrict your breathing. Breathe slowly and gently and keep focusing in your posture. Again after 45 seconds, slowly come down. Relax. After relaxing for 10 seconds, get set for side plank. For side plank again, come to elbow plank, then roll towards your left side. Make your body straight by pulling your hip up and place your left hand on the left hip. After maintaining the posture for about 1 minute, we will just roll over to the right side. Make sure both the legs are straight and your body also is in a straight line. Do not hang your hip too low or do not push it too high. Come down after 60 seconds and we'll go for a spinal stretch. Relax your lower back for 10 seconds. Now get set for dolphin push planks. For dolphin push planks, first come to dolphin pose by pushing your hip as high as possible and lowering your shoulder as closer as possible to the mat. From dolphin, come to elbow plank and again push back to dolphin. In dolphin pose, tilt your tailbone upward, and once you come to the elbow plank, lower your belly closer to the mat. But don't rest it on the mat, just hang it 2 to 3 inches above the mat. Continue this up and down movement for 1 minute. Now get set for spider crawl. From elbow plank, lift and fold your alternate legs and bring your knees as closer as possible to your armpit. While moving your legs, make sure you are moving them almost parallel to the ground. But while doing so, you should not lift your hip up. This variation is pretty challenging and interesting. Perfection will come with regular practice. Continue the movement for 1 minute and slowly come down. After 10-second rest, we are all set for plank hip dip. From elbow plank, roll your hip towards left and right alternatively. Bring it as closer as possible to the mat, but don't rest your hip on the mat. Also make sure your knees are straight while you roll your hip. This is an excellent exercise for reducing side flaps and love handles. Continue the same movement for 60 seconds. Come down, relax and get set for the final plank exercise. The final exercise of today's sequence is known as commando planks, also called up and down plank. From elbow plank, just come to the push-up position, that is lion plank, and again go back to elbow plank. We will do this to the alternative sides. That means once we will come up with the left side first and also go down with the left side. Next, we will come up by unfolding the right hand first, and also while going down, we will first fold the right hand. Try to maintain the coordination. Just maintain the rhythm and go with the flow.
Okay friends, I hope you all enjoyed this session. For more sessions like this, more exciting sessions like this, please subscribe this channel and please comment in the comment section, like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.